Let's be super real. Most side hustles fail, and they don't just fail quietly, they fail expensively. I know because I've personally been there and have felt that pain. I spent more than 10 years and $330,000 testing every online business model out there, and just to realize that most people start with the wrong model and no proven product market fit. Most people get stuck in what I call the side hustle valley of doom. It's essentially where motivation dies, momentum stalls, and you burn time and cash trying to figure it all out. This is where most people give up. But the good news is I'm going to help you skip all of that mess. Now, just give me a few minutes of your time here and I'll show you a path that's much more simple and you'll understand why it actually works. So this is going to be a good fit for you even if you're just starting from scratch, have no technical experience, don't even know what a funnel or website is. And the best part about this is it doesn't require any cold calling, guesswork, and there's no burnout. Essentially, you can get started pretty quickly and in a matter of a few days. Now, this is all based on what I've built over the years and it's called the EFA formula. It's a framework that's helped thousands of people earn from anywhere with the confidence and clarity behind it. This isn't just theory, this stuff actually works. It's the same method I've used to develop my own 6, 7, and 8-figure online businesses, and the same strategies I've shared in my viral TEDx talk, my best-selling book, and the same strategies I've used to teach through major platforms like Forbes, CNBC, and Entrepreneur.com. I've also developed this formula while helping build one of the world's fastest growing companies and overseeing more than $120 million in online business deals. I've seen what works, but more importantly, what doesn't work. And luckily for you, for the first time ever, I can actually reveal all of it. My NDAs just recently expired, and now I'm free to open up and share the insider strategies. I could only talk about this behind closed doors. These were strategies that were only reserved for people inside the circle, and now they can actually be yours. The great news is these strategies haven't just worked for me, they've worked for all sorts of people. People like Jacob, a full-time farmer with no tech skills, used this same system to double his income in just 2 months. Or Maxine, who was 68 and thought it was too late to start something new. She was able to land her first customers in under 2 weeks. So now I know what you're thinking, how does the EFA framework actually work? So I think the best way to display this is to compare it to the typical path. Step 1, most people spend years trying to learn everything: funnels, marketing, copywriting, design. And in my experience, I spent more than $250,000 in just the learning phase to actually learn and accumulate this knowledge that I could actually put into courses and sell these through consulting. People make these mistakes and then have the trial and error. The second step is you actually go and build all of this. You build the website, the automation, the content, the course materials, and that takes another 2 years and maybe $30,000 to $50,000 to accumulate all of this. Finally, on step 3, you have a finalized product and you still haven't tested it. This is where the testing stage comes. You're going to be running ads, changing your offer, adjusting pricing, headlines. You'll blow another $50K just figuring out what works. Now, the reason the EFA framework works is I've already done all of this, and so it eliminates all of those problems and helps you get started without having to do any of that. So this is where the Earn From Anywhere Academy comes into play. We've essentially eliminated all of those things for you. So essentially, you're going to get a funnel that's already built and set up for you. That gets rid of all the tech headaches. Your website is already set up and built on a product that's already been proven to fit into the market. Your offer, it's already proven to convert and converting at more than $10,000, $20,000, or $30,000 per month. You're going to get trainings, step-by-step coaching that's going to show you how to get your first customers all within 60 days. And the best part about this is all of your profits are yours. Even though you're getting access to a funnel and website that's built for you, you keep 100% of the profit and the customers. No 10-year learning curve, no wasted budgets, no big tech headaches. This isn't just another course, it's a full business in a box, built for people who are ready to launch and build something real, without wasting years trying to figure it all out on their own. Now, here's what else you're gonna get when you join the Earn From Anywhere Academy. You're gonna get live expert coaching calls, your funnel and website built for you, 6-figure remote jobs trainings, access to our travel for free masterclass, exclusive interviews with millionaires and billionaires, and yes, just by taking action, you're gonna get entered to win a free trip to come visit me here in Thailand. That's my way of rewarding people who don't just dream about success, but actually do something about it. So if you're tired of spinning your wheels and ready for a smarter path, one that's already been tested, optimized, and proven to work for thousands of others just like you, click the button below to get started. We'll build your system, get you live, and get things going in a matter of a few days. It's time to stop learning the hard way and start earning the smart way. I'll see you in the inside. Join below and send me a DM when you're ready to get started.